How to use Robinhood's candlestick charts. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Robinhood's candlestick chart. If you wanna go ahead and use the candlestick chart on your Robinhood, then you need to go to the chart of stocks. So for that, you could just go to the search box and type in custom screener and you could see your stocks. So here you could go ahead and click on the chart settings and the gear icon at the bottom of the page or right in the top or at the top of the page. After that, what you want to do is in the chart view, change the view type of the click on change the view type of the view type to candlestick. The candlestick chart shows more information than a line chart, which only shows closing prices, whereas candlestick chart shows 5 data points for a specific period, that is opening, closing, low, high, and a direction. So this is how you could use a Robinhood candlestick chart. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.